Bitcoin long positions are being opened at a massive scale right now, and this is not retail trading, but this is just whale money positioning for the next major move. And this chart is confirming exactly what they are targeting. The last 3 times long positions spiked this level for Bitcoin followed a massive expansion towards the upside. We have seen moves of approximately 70% towards the upside, and that same signal is showing right now. And this is exactly the moment where I want to be opening up some really big trades over on Bitcoin, because we obviously want to trade with the big whales. I will deep dive into this trading setup in today's daily update video. But first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and join my free trading community with the first link in the description. And for now, we will deep dive into this trading setup right now. Because what we actually can see is on top the Bitcoin chart, and on the lower side of the chart is the Bitcoin Bitfinex long charts. And these are the whales that opening up long positions on Bitcoin. And if we convert this chart and historical data to what we are seeing right now, Bitcoin will explode in the upcoming months. Because we have seen the signal before. This means that if the Bitcoin Bitfinex long charts are going up, whales are opening up a long position on Bitcoin. But historical speaking, this is not a major signal for Bitcoin. But when the Bitcoin Bitfinex long charts are decreasing, that is the time where Bitcoin went vertical towards the upside and where big rallies towards the upside starts. Over the last few months, we have seen massive whale accumulation. We have seen a massive increase of positions getting opened on Bitfinex, and that are always the long positions. But right now the signal is appearing that this chart might go down, and that is the exact moment where Bitcoin historical started to rally towards the upside. And with this is the signal calling that whales are opening up long positions on Bitcoin. And obviously we want to trade with the smart money as well. And I have opened up a really big position on Bitcoin. But before I dive into the position I recently opened, we need to discuss some more charts here to have more convenience why I opened up this trade. Because if we look at this retest pattern, what we have been seeing here in 2017, we have been creating a blow-off top, and after that Bitcoin started to rally towards the downside and we ended up in a bear market. We perfectly retested it after we have seen the bull run towards the top side, right as of here the all-time high. But this was the first time we have been seeing those massive retests happening. But right now, we started to rally towards the upside once again. We created massive resistance on the top side here. We broke that massive resistance. We broke the all-time high. But as of we have been seeing right over here, Bitcoin need to retest this level. And that is exactly what we are seeing right now. We saw a retest right over here from the retest from this all-time high. And right now we are seeing a perfect retest of that double all-time high and that double top pattern. This is also a massive signal that price have been cleared and that whales are just accumulating at those old all-time highs. Because one thing you need to know is whales are not FOMOing in the market as of this point. They always rally the price back towards those all-time highs to scale in for their long positions, and that is exactly what they have been doing, because they have been not FOMOing in positions around all-time highs. They are just pushing the price lower to fade everyone out of the market and to open up their long positions on Bitcoin. Right now they have a 50% discount to scale in Bitcoin positions, and this chart is telling us that whales actually are opening up long positions as of these prices, and this is exactly how whales work, and this is exactly how I want to trade as well. Also, if we look at the lower time frame, because we want to have the perfect entry on Bitcoin, we have been consolidating for a while here, and we have been getting tricked by the market for over 2 times here, here. We have been perfectly predicting that pattern, but right now, and I was mentioning this range for over a month here, we have been finally breaking out of this range towards the top side as of the last week. Right now, I am curious because Bitcoin has been going down ever since slightly, perfectly towards support, and I've been calling this support after we broke this range because everyone was getting bullish right over here, but I said, and you can literally watch back the previous daily update videos, that Bitcoin needed to go down and for a perfect retest, and guess what happened? Bitcoin perfectly backtested this breakout and right now confirming a higher low pattern towards the upside. But everyone is in fear right now, and that is exactly what whales want you to do. Fear out the market right now, and with that being said, that is the perfect timing to open up a long position on Bitcoin. We have been seeing all confluences on all time frames, even the lower time frames, and that is why I opened up a massive position over on Bitcoin. Right now I'm $3,000 in a loss, but one thing is pretty clear here. I'm fully transparent on this trade, so I'm showing my losses as well. I have really big confidence in this trade and in the Bitcoin price. Right now, I have been opening up a position of approximately 6 Bitcoin, which is a massive position. I will show, even if this is a loss, even if this is running in a big trade, I will run this trade every single day here. But one thing is pretty important to know for you, is I've been sharing this trade before it even happened. In today's morning, I update about this trade, that I open up this trade before the price was even dropping back towards those zones. I discussed this trade in my free Telegram group. You will be the first one to notice what will happen in the market and when I'm opening up positions in my free Telegram group. So please make sure to join my free Telegram trading group with the first link in the description. You will be the first one to notice the trades I am taking in the market. And if you want to have advantage to every single trader in the market, please make sure to join the Telegram group by yourself. Right now, this trade is running in a loss of approximately 1.6%, but I have a really big confidence that Bitcoin will run further towards the upside even on Sunday or this weekend or later this week and next week. This trade could run pretty big towards the $74,000, and that will be a massive profit for me. Fully transparent, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is, so this is completely transparent. Also, if we look at some on-chain data, we can actually see that also on-chain data is confirming the trading setup I have been taking. Because while you panic selling, the whales are just quietly buying the dip every single day, because 2 months of decline in the price was 2 months of accumulation by the big whales, and we can actually see it on this on-chain chart right over here. And they have been doing this for 4 years in a row, and right now you are freaking out the market over a small drop where we can actually see on-chain data that whales are just accumulating long positions, and you are just betting against those whales that are profitable for over the last few years here. They have been accumulating Bitcoin forever since slightly, and every single dip this chart was rising, they were buying Bitcoin, and they have been very profitable in the future and in the past. And right now they are betting on Bitcoin to go higher, and that is exactly what I think as well, and that is exactly why I opened up this big trade here over on Bitcoin. I will keep you updated about this trade in my free Telegram group, so please make sure to join the free Telegram with the first link in the description. It's completely free. Also, please make sure to follow me over on X and subscribe over on my YouTube channel, because I post every single day a daily update video. Because right now the Bitcoin price is so interesting and nobody is talking about what is happening right now. So you really want to keep updated about the Bitcoin price, because what is coming in the next week and months will shock every single Bitcoin holder. I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.